Alright, some more small progress. What we got done today or tonight when I got home from work is I got this drilled out right here. So I already test fitted it. So I just got to notch that off where you see me lined out. Just got to notch that out a bit so it doesn't cut the rubber. And I'm also going to put some of this little sealer around it. All this going to get vacuumed. And this one right here, it's lined up. It's just off because I was doing a bunch of crap. But the hard part is getting this upper part right here to line up. So I tried some different pipes and it seemed like this is the one that's going to work. And it should not, I don't even know if that crap's going to work. I have another angle that might work, or I might just cut this like here and then cut this over here. The reason being is this is not straight out, so I couldn't use the 90 because the 90 goes straight and down. So when I clamp this in here, the 90 actually like came back this way a bit, so it didn't work out too well. So that's why I just took the 90, used it over here, cut it, and the rubber piece comes in here, so it clamps in there. This will be angled back some more like that. So I think I actually cut this too short. I might extend that a bit. Just notch off another piece and put on there about an inch or something. So that's the update on that. The exhaust, shout out to Toyanda, man. He welded this up for me. I basically just measured it up, went over there and welded it up. I did put the bong in like an awkward spot. Probably just going to leave it for now. I thought about just plugging this and then putting the other bung over here, which I probably should do, but I don't know. I don't like a bunch of bungs and stuff inside the... So I thought about just notching it, putting it right here, which would be cleaner. I might do that. Just put a plug in that one and then just freaking get this one notched right here, which would be clean as hell. That'll probably be later on though. This is just a little temporary exhaust for now. Eventually I do want to get it routed right. This is going to get cut down here, so it'll be sitting flush with the little side cover that's right there. Just a 3-inch. I do want to upgrade to a 3.5. I only had the 3-inch flare, so that's what I ran with. And for now, just need something to start the car. Probably get the car dynoed, and it'll be alright. But for now, this is the setup. Should be done soon. Hopefully this week everything will be welded up in there. So exhaust on, piping's getting finished, and I'll put the blow off valve. The reason, alright, so what's up with the blow off valve is I think I'm gonna put the blow off valve like right coming out this pipe that comes out right here. I think I'm gonna put it like right here, and it'll sit right across from the wastegate. Probably gonna ask me why, but here's why. I'm gonna put the 4-port right over here in the trunk so I can use this hole to run all the hoses through. So I put the 4-port right there. Hose come out of here. Just gotta run the hose right here to the blow off valve. Hoses to the wastegate. Hoses to the other wastegate. Hose to the turbo. So everything is like conveniently placed right there. So that's why I want to do that. But we shall see. But appreciate everybody for stopping by, man. Like, share, subscribe, come back and check out the build, and hopefully in like a couple weeks, maybe like another week or so, you can see it started up.